Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable Always Underline Links Firefox browser Windows 10. So how to enable Always Underline Links Firefox browser Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here you are in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Browser menu. Now next. Tap Always Underline Links. This feature is used to disable auto-scrolling in Mozilla Firefox on Windows 10 so that the page does not scroll automatically when using the middle mouse. So that's it, tutorial how to enable Always Underline Links Firefox browser Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.